Hey, so I'm back to show you the results of our fake, fake aged tape thing we did with alcohol ink. So, I mean, I cut the sheets apart. These are the thin ones, these are the thicker ones, but I just wanted to show you my results. Here is the one with the colors. And then these are the alcohol inks on the acetate, which is so much fun to just tape these on. You could put them over your journaling. You could put them over a picture. You could then stamp on these with archival ink or stays on ink. And they are just so much fun to add to your junk journals, just to add a pop of color in. There is just with the browns, if you want something a little more neutral. So I took the sheet and I just kind of cut it apart. I'm just showing you the results. And then this one. So those are the results there. Let me show you what the tape looks like when you add it to a page. And I go in. I'm just going to snip off. And what I like to do is, I'm just going to snip off a piece and just add it in here like that at the edge of the page. Whoops. And I take the end so I can get it off of the paper really easily next time, and I just fold it over a little bit. And that way I can continue to pull it off because it's a little difficult pulling it off the sheets, or finding the end to pull off the sheets. But that's how I do it. And then I just store them all together, and I'll always have tape on hand. But isn't that super cute how that looks on your pages and your paper? Just to add a little bit of accent. And it's very inexpensive, and I'm sure that you guys have this stuff laying around your house. If not, go get 1 or 2 alcohol inks and have a day of play.